Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check in online in the Volotea application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the Your Booking button. And then click on the Check-in Online button. So in order to check in, you have to provide your booking number and then your last name or email address. And then just click on the Enter Your Booking Details button and you can proceed to the check-in. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.